Here at Ergon, we're playing a key role in providing secure, affordable and sustainable energy solutions for our customers right across Queensland. Through more than 200,000 kilometres of power lines, our electricity distribution network supplies power to millions of Queenslanders, some of whom live in the state's harshest and most remote locations. When you think of remote communities, you might typically think of towns in outback Queensland, but we also serve several isolated island and coastal communities like Clairview and Stanage Bay, where we're currently conducting a community microgrid feasibility study. Supplying electricity to these remote and regional communities does come with a range of challenges, especially over the summer months when severe storms, cyclones, flooding and bushfires can affect the area and disrupt the power supply. Even when the weather is picture perfect, part of what makes these communities such beautiful places to live, trees and wildlife, also increases the risk of unplanned outages. With our remote and isolated communities generally located at the end of long stretches of power lines, often in hard to reach locations, it can be challenging for our crews to access the network and find and fix faults when they occur. Roads into communities can be flooded or washed out, leaving communities without power for some time. That's why our community microgrid feasibility study is investigating innovative ways to integrate smart technologies into the electricity network, improving reliability and the resilience of fringe of grid communities, just like Clairview and Stanage Bay. The study will help us to identify how a microgrid might supply these small communities by tapping into locally generated and stored power to keep the lights on and the drinks cold while our crews access, find and fix faults on the main network. Our crews are ready to respond, but with the severe weather season forecast by the Bureau of Meteorology, it's time for our communities to get ready too. So it's time for you to know your risks. Register for and stay tuned to alerts and warnings. Check that your emergency kit is fully stocked and keep informed on power outages through our outage finder. And remember, if you see fallen power lines, always assume that they're live. Stay well away, call 000 or Ergon and wait in a safe place for our crews to respond. Stay safe and don't forget, keep an eye out for our next microgrid feasibility study project update via our project website.